This is Decision Weather Ag Meteorologist Sramek with this week's Changing Times Ag Weather Forecast. Today, locally heavy rain from a trough in the southwestern U.S. and the subtropical jet will move through Oklahoma, Texas, and eastern Kansas and Nebraska. It'll be too late for the poor fall crops, but beneficial for rangeland and emerging winter wheat that is only 70% planted due to subsoil moistures being 70 to 80% short and very short, and in severe and moderate drought. At the same time, the polar jet will bring very cold air and snow into Montana and across the Dakotas and upper Midwest, halting field work in those regions. Locally, fog and some light precipitation from the southwestern system, then light freezing rain and snow over the weekend from the northwest system will slow fall harvesting of corn, milo, and beans, now over 60% harvested, and the emerging winter wheat that needs all the moisture it can get to establish in the abnormally dry and moderate drought conditions across the region. The blast of polar air will surge across the Mississippi River in the east and southeast U.S. next week, with freezing temperatures, snow, and severe storms, while locally we dry out and slowly return to seasonal conditions ahead of the next trough and storm system arriving next weekend. This is Ag Meteorologist Sramek. This concludes this week's Changing Times Ag Weather Forecast, brought to you by America's Weather Streaming Channel, where you can now get daily forecasts, access to a phone app with one-on-one communication to a live meteorologist in your area, and expanding YouTube channel at americasweathersc.com. Have a great week.